Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about why MRO is important in manufacturing. Let's jump right into it. Maintenance, repair, and operations, MRO, are crucial elements in the manufacturing sector. They encompass the activities and processes required to maintain, repair, and manage the operations of equipment and facilities. Here's why MRO is so important in manufacturing. Ensuring operational efficiency. Reducing downtime. One of the primary goals of MRO in manufacturing is to minimize equipment downtime. When machines are well maintained, they are less likely to break down unexpectedly. This ensures that production lines run smoothly, leading to higher productivity and fewer interruptions. Improving equipment performance. Regular maintenance and timely repairs help keep equipment in optimal working condition. Well-maintained machines perform better and more efficiently, which translates into higher quality products and faster production times. Extending equipment lifespan. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance involves performing regular checks and maintenance tasks to prevent equipment failures. This proactive approach can significantly extend the lifespan of manufacturing equipment, delaying the need for costly replacements and ensuring long-term reliability. Cost savings. By extending the lifespan of equipment through regular maintenance and timely repairs, manufacturers can save a substantial amount of money. Preventing major breakdowns reduces the need for expensive emergency repairs and replacements. Enhancing safety. Reducing workplace accidents. Proper maintenance and repair activities ensure that all equipment operates safely. This reduces the risk of workplace accidents caused by equipment malfunctions. A safe working environment is essential for protecting employees and avoiding costly legal issues. Compliance with regulations. Manufacturing facilities must comply with various safety and operational regulations. Regular MRO activities help ensure that all equipment meets these standards, avoiding fines and enhancing the company's reputation for safety and reliability. Managing inventory and logistics. Efficient inventory management. Effective MRO practices include managing the inventory of spare parts and materials needed for maintenance and repairs. Keeping track of inventory ensures that the necessary parts are always available, reducing delays in repair times and maintaining smooth operations. Streamlined logistics. Efficient logistics are crucial for coordinating the delivery and storage of parts and equipment. This ensures that maintenance tasks can be performed without unnecessary delays, keeping the manufacturing process on track. Enhancing productivity and quality. Consistent quality. Well-maintained equipment produces consistent, high-quality products. Regular maintenance ensures that machines operate correctly and produce items that meet quality standards. This is essential for maintaining customer satisfaction and competitiveness in the market. Increased productivity. When equipment operates efficiently, it can produce more in less time. This increased productivity is crucial for meeting production targets and fulfilling customer orders on time. Efficient MRO practices help achieve these goals by keeping equipment running smoothly. Conclusion. MRO is vital in manufacturing for several reasons. It ensures operational efficiency, extends the lifespan of equipment, enhances safety, manages inventory and logistics, and boosts productivity and quality. By implementing effective MRO practices, manufacturers can maintain their equipment in top condition, leading to cost savings, improved safety, and better overall performance. This ultimately contributes to the long-term success and competitiveness of manufacturing operations. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.